Where is a data store in computer? The data copy from the computer in main memory and random access a memory or a RAM, and then return to the hard disk. And the drive is the mechanical device to write a data in a disk. Means what? Basically simple fundamentals of the your your computers and laptop and your systems, and the collect and data from the input of your users. Means users in input in systems, and that the format of the format of a keyboard and mouse, that the types and something do on keyboard, that the out input in due to the systems, and system collected data and the store in a random access memory, means RAM. And then store data in a hard disk, and the modern hard disk in the call as a SSD, and that format in store permanently, and temporarily store data in a random access memory. Okay, I hope you understand. If you any query, then comment me. Thank guys watching this video.